Here are 3 credit reporting secrets. 35% of your credit score is from your payment history. Secret number 1, pay on time. Hi everyone, I'm Tanya Cosmini with Homes by Sam and Tanya and Cinevia.com. Now let's get into secret number 2. 30% of your credit score is based upon the capacity of your credit. For example, if you have a credit limit of, let's say, $5,000, you only want to use about 30% of the capacity of that card, meaning you only want to use $1,500 of credit and keep $3,500 that is unused. So here's a tip. If you have one credit card with a $10,000 balance and another with a much lower balance, transfer some of the debt from one credit card to the other so that the capacity used is as close to as 30% as possible. Secret number 3 is that 10% of your credit score is based upon inquiries and past applications. So keep in mind that 75% of your total credit score is based upon payment history, capacity of credit used, inquiries, and past applications. So you want to be very mindful of that. So pay your bills on time, be sure not to max out your cards, keep a 30% balance or lower, and don't get too many inquiries, and that alone will help dramatically maximize your credit score. For more detailed information about how to maximize your credit so that you can save money and get better interest rates, reach out to me at any time or click the link below to get a detailed 17-page report. Thanks again, and as always, I'm Tanya Cosmini with Homes by Sam and Tanya and Cinevia.com, and we are simplifying real estate.